Hi, this is Brett Taylor with Taylor & Son Chevrolet, and this is a 2012 Chevy Sonic LT sedan that we just took on trade. It's got all the popular equipment, including aluminum wheels. This is a one-owner vehicle. We put a brand new set of tires on the vehicle. Going along the passenger side, no signs of exterior damage, dents, stings, scratches, etc. This car is very well equipped. Power windows and locks, keyless entry, remote start, Bluetooth, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, cruise control, 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic climate control, air conditioning. You can see the CD player. It does have the automatic transmission on it. It is OnStar and XM equipped. It's a non-smoking car. See, second row seating area, no signs of rips, tears, imperfections. This is still covered under the original bumper-to-bumper and powertrain warranty. See the rear profile of the vehicle. This car was not a rental car, this was a personally owned vehicle. Side profile. It's in the beautiful silver ice color. Has the dark titanium interior. Manuals are in the vehicle. You can see carpet and floor coverings, no rips, tears. It is equipped with traction control. Passenger side profile of the vehicle. You can view the Sonic and all of our inventory online at tschevy.com or call us at 800-866-2138 and ask for the sales department. Thanks for looking.